Hello and welcome to another video. No introduction, we're going to go straight into it. So the first thing we do is we open up the browser. I'm using Chrome. We then type in the FORScan in the search, unless you know the link or the URL. So we type in FORScan, press search, and then it takes us then straight to the page. Click on the link, takes us straight then to the FORScan website. Once we're at the website, we head on over to the products section at the top there in green, and we click on the link for products. Then we go to the FORScan for Windows, which is currently version 2.3.61. Click on that, which will then download it. As you can see in the top right corner, I'm using Windows 10. It's now downloaded it. There we go, fully downloaded. Close the browser down and head on over to your download folder. So we go to the download section, and there you can see we've got the installation file. Double click on it to install it. It's going to be a quick installation. This is real time. Press run. First thing it's going to ask us is the language. Obviously I'm using English, so we press OK for English. Then we read the license agreement, don't we guys? Yep, there we go, read it completely. So I've accepted it. We press next. That's the location that it's going to install the program to. We press next. It's just generating a shortcut and then asking us, do we want a desktop shortcut? Yes, we do. And then we press install. So now it's extracting the files, ready to install them. And that pretty much is it, guys. That's installed. So we now press finish. And then head on over to the icon that it's put on your desktop. Click on that. Sorry about that, guys. Which then opens up the program with a little warning saying about using it whilst driving, which it's not safe, not recommended, and it's not legal. So then we expand the page. And then we click on the settings little gear wheel there, the settings icon. I then uncheck the demo mode button. And then I think I wander aimlessly around a little bit with my cursor, but we need to be going to the little about icon, the little steering wheel there at the bottom. Click on that. And now we're going to generate the free 2-month license. So you copy the hardware ID to the clipboard. That's going to save it in the background for you. We then minimize FORScan, and we open the browser up again and head on back over to the FORScan website, which ideally would have left running in the background. So once we're at the FORScan website again, we head over to the products page once more, and then we go to the get free license link. Click on that. This point then you fill in your name, a contact email, you verify the email, then you paste the hardware ID into the section and you press submit. It's as simple as that. The license itself is not going to be sent by email, you have to download it off the site itself, but we're going to show you that. So I'm just confirming the email now. If you follow the little icons there, going to now paste the hardware ID and I'm going to press submit. This point now it's sent it. It tells you there to wait around about 30 minutes. I was a little impatient. I waited 10 minutes and then I pressed the refresh button in the top left hand corner. Luckily it had come through. So then I just click the link, which automatically downloads the license file. And then there's some instructions there for you to follow, but we're going to show you how to do it. So once it's downloaded, we need to then locate it. This part isn't actually necessary, but I like to do it. So I've copied the license, put it onto the desktop so I know exactly where it is when I'm trying to navigate the program to it. So then we open up FORScan one more time and we press the load license key. At this point now we need to locate where the file is. So remember, I've put it on the desktop, so I go to the Home tab, then I click on Desktop, which then you will see the FORScan license key, press OK, and it automatically then loads it. At that point we need to close and restart the program, which it does automatically. Press OK, you head on over to the About section again, and you'll see then that the extended license has been installed in your name, and it's valid until the 27th of September 2024. So that's showing you how to install 2-month free license. In the next video I'll show you how to install the dongle that I chose to use for FORScan. So thanks for watching.